way it starts. Yeah, the secret is not to spin the tires as it starts driving. The instructor there, Mephis Chisha, is trying to explain.
If you want to change it, what are you supposed to do? Oh, that means you have access to track to say to pick up. No, but I don't want to take a Muleland.
The driver is told to try again. Number one, check the tires that it doesn't spin when going up. Top up. Okay. Fails to top up. So reverse a bit. It's told to reverse and so that the truck can start up again. And is doing the reverse perfectly well. So this is why we've come here to do. This is what we've actually come to do, so we can perfect the driver's skills on the mountains. So you can see Instructor Chisha is there giving signals to ensure that he reaches the place where he's supposed to. We are right on the mountains, and this mountain, they call it Dangote Mountain. I don't know where the name came from, but obviously because TCP is here and it's a big name, and most drivers will refer to this hill as a Dangote hill. So hence the name Dangote Mountain, right in the heart of Zambia. So we can see so he hasn't done very well, so we'll put another driver so that we can have all these guys done. So the next guy, there goes the next guy, exchanging the track. The next guy, the other driver is putting up a seat belt.
John, now I'll let you take your cocoa now. Who are going to be steady? No, but I'll be going to walk over and take your blue steady. Why was I just not professional driver?
The interest here is spinning.
Moto kukata kumitwati. Bali wa ishira ikoromula kumwai.
This is mountain driving training. There goes Sidin. The way is coming down the mountain. In case the mountain abrupt, how is he supposed to back up with a loaded truck when it becomes avoidable? This is the skill to avoid the vehicle running down deep the canyon. This is what these drivers are trained for. Going down and the next driver is taking over, and they are clapping for him, indicating he has done better, and this is the next guy. We see the tires. These drivers were in class where they were highly trained in various skills, including mountain driving. And so you can see even this one, he picks up the gears when going up the mountain. So these guys seem they really are doing the best they can. The practicals so far are proving successful. He's already engaged the reverse gear, and this is it. He did a mistake there because he did not, he pressed on the clutch. So these are the mistakes that we here to observe and ensure they all perfectly do the bit.
Problems in Dela, Nangukulesa Motokoku, having a very great sample of Kubuela. What happened? Even I said that never great to discuss the was from someone going. It was so clear and something to talk about. picture of parking. How you supposed to. Okay, let's.
You can see the reverse right down there.